This video will show you how to dictate and send files to Acuro via the Philips SpeechLive desktop app. To start, ensure you're logged in to your SpeechLive account in your browser. Click the record icon. You can pause, listen back to your dictation, insert more dictation, or carry on dictating. Once you've finished your dictation, click this icon. This is where you can choose a file name, type any information you'd like to signify who or what the dictation is about. This will be the name of the document you receive back from Acuro. To delete and start again, click this X icon. To save as a draft that you can come back to, click this Save as Draft icon. To complete and send the dictation to Acuro, click the Finish icon. You will then be able to receive your completed documents within the Acuro portal.